How long does it take to finish my roof? How y'all doing, guys? It's Robert with Bison Roofing. Today, I wanted to talk about another question that I had got in the comments. How long does it take to finish my roof? And I always tell them that is a great question. Now, any of my potential homeowners that ask that question, they want to move forward with us, they love our product, they're interested, they love the experience that I'm giving them through this whole process. The question that they ask is, how long does it take? Some people may need it faster than others. Some people are willing to wait. I've dealt with real estate agents where they're looking to close the home and they need it done in X amount of days. Here's a little breakdown just so we can give some context. So a roof generally can finish between anywhere from 1 to 3 days max. And you may say, well, smaller homes, anywhere from your 1,500 square foot homes can be finished in a day. Now your bigger homes, such as your 3,000 square foot homes, can be finished in 2 days. Now, and of course, here in Texas, the homes are bigger and it's bigger in Texas, may take a third day. Now, the average would generally take anywhere from 1 to 2 days, if the weather permits. As roofing companies and ourselves, we do not work in hazardous conditions, such as rain, snow, or possible really dense fog that is creating a lot of moisture on the roof. If the weather permits, we are able to finish anywhere from 1 to 2 days. Generally, all companies, and including Bison Roofing, will look at a forecast weather week. We'll see how the weather is doing. We'll make sure that we have clear weather, cloudy weather, just no rain, no snow, sleet, anything like that that can prolong the roofing process. We try to avoid doing roof replacements or repairs when we know that we're gonna expect some rain. We'll push it off to an adequate day where we can have clear skies and no hazardous weather in the forecast. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do at Bison Roofing Co., as you can see right behind me. Subscribe as we do some educational videos, fun videos, behind the scenes, vlogs, things like that. And be sure to visit bisonroofing.net for any more information, or if you're interested in a free inspection. That way we can help you out. My name is Robert, I'm with Bison Roofing. We'll see you next time on the next video. See you later, guys.